Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about problems on multiplication of matrices. In this session also, we shall discuss about the problems on multiplication of matrices. So, next problem, if A equals 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 4A plus 3I equals null matrix. Solution. So, first let us find A square. So, A square will be equal to A into A. So, that will be equal to, so A is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 into A, 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. Our rule is row into column operation. So, that will be equal to first row into first column. So, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Next element is second row into second column. So, 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2. So, next element is second row into first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Next element is second row into second column, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. So, that will be equal to, so 2 into 2 4 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4. So, that will be equal to 4 plus 1 5 minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4 1 plus 4 5. So, this is nothing but A square. Consider A square minus 4A plus 3I. So, that will be equal to, so A square. So, A square is 5 minus 4 minus 4 5 minus 4 into A. So, the given matrix is A equals 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. So, here 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 plus 3I that is plus 3 into I. I is the identity matrix of order 2. So, 1 0 0 1. So, this will be equal to 5 minus 4, minus 4, 5, minus, we multiply all the elements of this matrix by 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into 2, 8. Plus, we multiply the entire matrix by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. So, that will be equal to, so here we subtract and add the corresponding elements of the matrices. So, 5 minus 8 plus 3. So, the next element minus 4 minus 4 plus 0. Next row minus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 0. Next element is 5 minus 8 plus 3. So, that will be equal to, so 5 minus 8 minus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0. So, minus 4 plus 4, 0. So, minus 4 plus 4, 0. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. So, this is an null matrix. Therefore, A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to null matrix. So, this completes this problem. Next problem, if x equals 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, y equals 1, 0, 3 and z equals 2, 1. Verify that x into yz is equal to xy into z. Consider y into z. Y matrix is 1, 0, 3. Z matrix is 2, 1. Here Y matrix is of the order 3 into 1. Z matrix is of the order 1 into 2. So, YZ matrix will be of the order 3 into 2. So, let us multiply YZ. So, row into column. So, YZ is equal to first row into first column 1 into 2. First row into second column 1 into 1. Second row into first column 0 into 2. 0. Next, second row into second column 0 into 1. 0. Next, third row into first column 3 into 2. 6. Next element is third row into first column 3 into 1. 3. So, this is YZ. Consider x into y z. So that will be equal to, so matrix x. Matrix x is 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4 into yz matrix. So yz matrix is 2, 1, 0, 0, 6, 3. So row into column. So here matrix X has an order 2 into 3 and matrix YZ will be of the order 3 into 2. So the product X into YZ matrix will have the order 2 into 2. That means the matrix XYZ will have 2 row and 2 column. So X into YZ will be equal to, so first row into first column, that is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 6. Next element is first row into second column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 3. Next, second row into first column, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 6. Next element is second row into second column, that is 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 3. So that will be 1 into 0, 0 plus 3 3s are 9. 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 6, 24. So 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 3, 12. So that will be equal to, so 4 plus 18, 22, 9 plus 2, 11, so 24. So this becomes 12. We call this as equation 1. Consider the RHS part, that is xy into z. Here let us consider xy. So xy equals, so matrix X is 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4 into y. So y matrix is 1, 0, 3. So here X matrix is of the order 2 into 3. Y matrix is of the order 3 into 1. So the product matrix XY will be of the order 2 into 1. That means the matrix XY will have 2 rows and 1 column. XY is equal to, so row into column. So first row into first column, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 3. Next row, second row into first column. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 3. So XY equals 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 3, 9. So 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 3, 12. So XY will be equal to 2 plus 9, 11, 0 plus 0 plus 12 is 12. So XY matrix will be equal to 11, 12. Consider X, Y into Z. So matrix XY is 11, 12 and Z matrix is 2, 1. So here XY matrix will be of the order 2 into 1 and Z matrix will be of the order 1 into 2. So the product matrix XY into Z will be of the order 2 into 2. So XY into Z is equal to, so row into column. So first row into first column. 11 into 2, 22. First row into second column. 11 into 1, 11. Next, second row into first column. 12 into 2, 24. Second row into second column. 12 into 1, 12. We call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, x into yz will be equal to xy into z. That completes this problem. Next problem, if a equals I 0, 0 minus I, b equals 0 minus 1, 1, 0 and c equals 0, I 0, where I square equals minus 1. Show that a square equals b square equals c square, which is equal to minus I. First, let us find a square. So, consider a square is equal to a into a, which is equal to, so a matrix is I 0, 0 minus I into I 0, 0 minus I. Since a is a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Therefore, the product A into A will also be a square matrix of order 2 into 2. So, the rule is row into column. So, that will be equal to I into I into I plus 0 into 0, that is first row into first column. Next element is first row into second column, I into 0 plus 0 into minus I. Next element is second row into first column, 0 into I plus minus I into 0. Next element is second row into second column. So, 0 into 0 plus minus I into minus I. So, that will be equal to I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0, 0 into I, 0 plus minus I into 0, 0, I into 0, 0 plus 0 into minus I, 0, 0 into 0, 0 plus minus I into minus I square. So, A square will be equal to I square plus 0, I square, 0 plus 0, 0. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus I square, I square. So, A square is equal to, so they have given that I square is equal to minus 1. So, I square is minus 1, 0, 0, I square is minus 1. If we take common minus, we have 1, 0, 0, 1. So, that will be equal to minus, see 1, 0, 0, 1 is an identity matrix. So, that is represented by I. Therefore, A square will be equal to minus I. Consider B square, that will be equal to B into B. So, what is matrix B? 0 minus 1, 1, 0. So, B is 0 minus 1, 1, 0 into 0 minus 1, 1, 0, row into column. So, that will be equal to first row into first column, 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. Next element is first row into second column, 0 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0. Next row, second row into first column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. So, next element is second row into second column, that is 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0. Therefore, B square will be equal to, so 0 into 0, 0 plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into minus 1, 0 plus minus 1 into 0, 0. Next row, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 0 into 0, 0. Therefore, b square will be equal to 0 plus minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. We can take minus common. So, we get 1, 0, 0, 1. So, b square will be equal to minus I. That is 1, 0, 0, 1 is the identity matrix. So, b square will be equal to minus I. Let us consider C square. C square is C into C. That is C matrix is 0 I 0 into C, that is 0 I 0. So, the rule is row into column. So, that will be equal to first row into first column, 0 into 0 plus I into I. Next, first row into second column, 0 into I plus I into 0. Next row is second row into first column, I into 0 plus 0 into I. So, second row into second column, I into I plus 0 into 0. So, that will be equal to 0 into 0, 0 plus I into I square, 0 into I, 0 plus I into 0, 0, I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0, I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. Therefore, C square will be equal to, so 0 plus I square, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, I square plus 0, I square. So, we know that I square is equal to minus 1. C square is equal to minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. This is because I square is equal to minus 1. We can take minus common. So, we have 1, 0, 0, 1. So, C square will be equal to minus I. Therefore, A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to minus I. This completes this problem. Okay, thank you.